Manual tuning. So the fourth myth is really that Spark application tuning can eliminate all the waste in my applications. So what we're talking about here is you as a developer, you understand, or as a DevOps person, you understand all the knobs that you can turn in your Spark application when you look at how many cores and how much memory do I need to run these applications. And there's going to be a peak, and then there's going to be off peak for what your application needs. So with manual tuning, you're looking to get as close to peak as possible in what you're paying for so that you're not wasting money. And you want to prevent applications from failing by giving them too few resources. What you start to see that application tuning is not doing for you is it doesn't eliminate waste when the utilization curve is not at peak. When you're not at peak, and that could be, very long stretches of time, hours, when you don't need all the resources that you provision, but there's nothing you can do about it because the box is a static thing. You've asked for a certain number of cores, a certain amount of resources, or a certain amount of memory, and that's a static designation within Spark. Really, this is another place where you're looking for automation to be able to fill in this gap for you so that your developers can go do other things.
And I have, in my experience, and it's not one or two parameters, there are like more than 20, 30, 40, sometimes more parameters.
Oh, yeah.
You need to tweak, right? And again, to your point, right, as a developer, I will be like, okay, I have to do the next project, for new application. I don't want to go back and fine tune those things. So yeah, no, this is a great point actually, which you mentioned right now.
When you do give a developer pool a list of recommendations, there's not really an incentive for them to go tune all those applications when they've also got all the new things that you've asked them to go write. So they've got this, new set of code that they need to write, new applications. You want them innovating. You want them pushing the envelope and the cutting edge. Do you really want them to spend a bunch of time going back and tuning things that they wrote a month ago or last quarter? So manual tuning, you don't want to be just, grossly wasteful, but there's only so much it's going to do for you.